Commerce Secretary Ron Brown and 32 others were on a military plane that crashed today in a violent storm. There are no known survivors at this time. Croatian Air Control says the plane was cleared to land at Dubrovnik's airport, but instead it apparently went off course and slammed into a cloud-shrouded mountain.
I can't tell you why they were where they were, nor am I in a position to speculate. That's exactly what General Coolidge and the accident board will attempt to determine.
The aircraft carrying Secretary Brown was one of two of its type configured for passenger airlift and with nearly identical avionics. We've brought one of those aircraft here, the other one, from Howard Air Force Base in Panama to conduct in-flight tests.
According to plan, the plane carrying Ron Brown would have landed safely at Dubrovnik's airport. Instead, the US Air Force plane crashed on this hillside, leaving Ron Brown and 34 others dead. The investigators aboard this almost identical aircraft are trying to work out why that happened. They've covered the same flight path to try and pinpoint what went wrong.
The final results of the investigation will probably be late this month, but again, we're not on a strict timetable. Our goal is to find out what happened, and we'll take as long as we need to.
The Boeing 737 was flown out from Panama for these tests. As the aircraft follows the flight path, investigators are checking for any anomaly that may explain the crash.
As you saw today, The aircraft made several passes, several approaches into Chilipi Airport, as well as flew along the exact same flight path as the accident aircraft. Investigators are using the avionics on board and other equipment, navigation aids and so forth, to evaluate and record any potential in-flight anomalies. Once they're completed here, that will probably be tomorrow, we'll take that information back to Ramstein and incorporate it into the investigation process.
His favorite scripture verse was that wonderful verse from Isaiah. They who wait upon the Lord shall have their strength renewed. They shall mount up with wings as eagles. They will run and not grow weary. They will walk and faint not.